Hello guys, this is the Logic Tutor. You're welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on this channel, endeavor to click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to always keep you alert when we drop videos. And if you're a subscriber of this channel, you're welcome back. Thanks for coming back again. So we just want to give a quick video about elimination reaction, specifically a rule that has to do with elimination reaction called the Markonikoff's rule. We rather write it this way: Markonikoff. The Markonikoff's rule. So what does this rule state about elimination reaction? Addition reaction. Sorry, so we are going to talk about Markonikoff's rule under addition reaction in organic chemistry. So addition reaction is a kind of reaction whereby a particular reagent is added to an unsaturated organic compound. So when I say unsaturated organic compound, you know that they are organic compound that has double bond or triple bond in their carbon to carbon chain. And mind you, this rule is only applicable for the double bond compounds, and then we are going to look specifically at the unsymmetrical organic compound. So when I say unsymmetrical organic compound, I'm going to use propene as an example. If I draw the structure of propene here now, you see this is one carbon, then the other carbon having double bond attached to the third carbon, as you can see. Then if you look at this will be attached to two hydrogen, one here and the other here. Meanwhile, this is attached to one hydrogen. Are you getting it now? So, and then you have the CH3 group here. So this compound is unsymmetrical. Why is it unsymmetrical? Look at where the double bond exists. That is between these two carbon. Good. And this particular carbon has one methyl group and one hydrogen. Meanwhile, this one has two hydrogen atoms, making them different. Are you getting it now? So this make it unsymmetrical because they are not connected to the same functional group or the same atom. Though hydrogen is here, but they are not connected to exactly the same functional group or atom. So if you look at this now, we have two hydrogen. So suppose we have two hydrogen alongside here, then they wouldn't be unsymmetrical. But because we have an hydrogen here and we have methyl here, so that makes this compound unsymmetrical. So when a reagent, like an unsymmetrical reagent just like HBr or HCl, is added to this compound, don't forget the purpose of addition reaction is to increase the level of saturation or to make a compound saturated. So which means the double bond will definitely be removed, and that is your level of saturation has been increased. So let's take a look at the reaction between HBr and this particular compound. So we have CH2 and this is hydrogen here. So if bromine, HBr is actually reacting with this, that is hydrogen bromide. So we are expecting an addition reaction to occur. And majority can just add this hydrogen just here and then take this bromine here, or take the bromine here and add or take the hydrogen here and add the bromine here. So that is where the Markonikoff's rule acts. So the rule tells us that when you are adding an unsymmetrical reagent just like HBr, that's hydrogen bromide, you are adding it to an unsymmetrical organic compound with a double bond that is unsaturated. The rule says that we are going to add the negative element. So hydrogen happens not to be the negative element here. It serves as more of positive, though the bond here is a kind of covalent but hydrogen will still be the positive pole in that bond. Meanwhile, bromine will be more electronegative than hydrogen. So in that wise, we are going to pick bromine and add it to this carbon here, and take hydrogen and add it to this carbon here, so that the compound here becomes saturated. So what Markonikoff's rule tells us is that the negative element, which is bromine, will be added to the carbon that has the smallest number of hydrogen. Meanwhile, the remaining hydrogen will be added to the carbon that has the highest number of hydrogen. Mind you, this is not part of what we are saying, because it's actually completed. The carbon here has actually completed its bond. So we only needed to add hydrogen to this particular part, and then add bromine here, just because they are the parts that are unsaturated. So the Markonikoff's rule will apply, and the new product will now be CH3. Then we have C attached to H and attached to Br. Then we now have CH3. So this will now be named 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. Propane, don't forget, this is propane in the first place. Propane, and this is what? 2-bromopropane. So this is just what Markonikoff's rule is trying to tell us. And don't forget, this reaction is called addition reaction. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are going to post more practical videos on the upcoming examination, and also we are set to start giving videos on engineering and more science and mathematics course. Thanks for watching, and you have a lot of things that will be explored on this channel, and things that are going to give innovations to us. Thanks for watching. Come back again and get more wonderful videos.